I'm going to show you how to solve simultaneous equations by graphing. In order to do that, it's a good idea to get a reminder about the gradient-intercept form of a line, y equals mx plus b, where m is the gradient and b is the y-intercept of a line. Let's look at an example. Y equals minus a half x plus 3. If I wanted to graph this, I'm going to have let's start with a y-intercept. It's at 0, 3, and then the gradient minus a half tells me that the line is sloping downwards somehow, and for rise of negative a half I go across 1. Negative a half down, across 1, negative a half down, across 1, negative a half down, across 1. So what I can do now is try to fit a line over my points like this. Right. Now, what about solving simultaneous equations then? Here's my actual problem I want to solve. Let's, as usual, name my equations. So this is going to be equation number 1 and equation number 2. One thing you notice about them is they are not yet in the gradient-intercept form like here. So what we'll do is we'll rearrange them. Let's take equation 1 first. I'll copy it out. And now I need to rearrange it. So I'm going to subtract x. I get 2y equals to negative x plus 6. And now I'm going to divide by 2, both sides, to get y equals. Remember, that was my actual goal. Y equals, and I'm going to get here minus a half x plus 3. I've now rearranged this line in the form y equals mx plus b. You can actually see it's the same as my example here, so I've already done this first one. I should actually therefore underline this in yellow so it fits the color of the line. Now let's do equation 2. We'll need to rearrange that one. So 2x minus y equals to 2. I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. I'm going to get minus y equals to negative 2x plus 2. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by minus 1. Because y is multiplied by minus 1, that's going to give me y equals to 2x. The sign changes here, 2x minus 2. Okay, so now I should be graphing that equation. Let's do that in yellow. So I'm going to underline this one here. And I'm going to graph it. The y-intercept is minus 2. And the slope is 2. That means for 1 across, I need to go 2 up. 1 across, 2 up, 1 across, 2 up. And you can see I'm getting a line here, which I'm going to fit a line over my purple points. And it's going to be pretty much this one. Voila. And you can see now I've got actually a solution here. Okay, let's actually read off the coordinates here. That is, let's change to white, that is 2, and over here y is also 2. In other words, my solution is x equals 2, y equals 2. I've now solved this system of simultaneous equations graphically. I suppose I could do it check as usual. Simply substitute into one of the equations. First equation is x plus 2y equals to 6. Let's see if that fits. X plus 2y equals to 6. I will substitute. X is 2 plus 2 times 2 equals to 6, says the equation. Is that true? 2 plus 2 times 2, 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Yes, that's true. And I'm finished.